Welcome back, everybody. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I like to post all sorts of homemade recipes weekly, so if you consider subscribing, be sure to click that bell notification to get all of my latest videos. Okay, today I am going to be making an extra cheesy Philly cheesesteak slider, and this is another favorite for parties, potlucks, or even dinner, and it's extra cheesy. Here's how I do it.
Okay, to start, I have a half teaspoon of Season-All seasoning salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste. I'm adding it to 1 pound of thinly sliced steak that I purchased already sliced at my grocery store. I'm also going to be sauteing 1 medium onion and 1 medium thinly sliced bell pepper, and I'm going to cook it until desired doneness. After everything is cooked, now it's time to assemble these Philly cheesesteak sliders. Here I have a 12-pack of Hawaiian rolls. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of mayo to the bottom layer and some freshly cracked black pepper. Now I'm going to layer on 6 slices of provolone cheese. Next, I'm going to add half of the cooked steak. Now I'm going to add all of my sauteed onions and bell peppers. And to make it extra cheesy, I'm going to be adding 8 ounces of American processed cheese. I know it sounds bad, but gosh, it's so good. And now I'm going to add the last portion of the cooked steak right on top of all of this cheese, and then top it with the top half of the Hawaiian rolls. Now I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 to 20 minutes, or until the top is toasty and everything is melted. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter right on top, and I'm going to garnish with some lightly dried parsley. Now it's time to pull apart and serve these delicious and cheesy Philly cheesesteak sliders.
Okay, so that was super easy to make, and I gotta tell you, it's so delicious and they go fast, so you might need to make extra. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye.